Hello, my friends in Europe. I wanted to spend a few minutes talking about bones. That's right, bones. I'm excited because you are about to launch a new product in Europe. That's why it's relevant. So have you ever asked yourself why you need strong bones? Well, first of all, bones form the structure of your body that allow the muscles to attach, so they allow movement. Bones also protect the vital organs of your body, including your brain, which I consider to be quite important. But we often consider the bones to be just a stable, solid structure that just sits there and serves you your whole life. But we actually really do need to consider it as a living, growing tissue. So what is bone made of? Well, it's mostly made of calcium, which you've all heard of, right? And collagen, which is a protein structural element of the bones. And it's in a constant state of movement, what we call resorption, where the calcium and other elements from the bone go back into the blood as ions, and also formation, where you start, again, building the bones. So we really need to have a balance of those two things in order to retain strong bones. There are some other things in bones that are important as well. Magnesium is important, and vitamin D, you've probably heard, is important. Think of your bones as kind of like a bank. So you're trying to bank calcium and other minerals into the bone constantly. Right? You're making withdrawals and you're making deposits. So vitamin D is a little bit like the app that you use to make those deposits, or maybe the, in old-fashioned terms, the deposit slip. So you need to have vitamin D as part of that movement. It's very critical. Magnesium is also important because magnesium is an essential cofactor for so many enzymes in the body, and also is essential for the conversion of that vitamin D to an active form. So it's like the battery in the phone app that you're using to make deposits. Does that make sense? So bones are important, and bone nutrition is extremely important. We need to continually provide it with calcium, with magnesium, with vitamin D, and with other elements that are important for bone structure. Now you may wonder, why does the body even break down the bone once it's made? Well, the bone, again, it's like a bank, and when you need the cash for the rest of the body's functions, it's there for you. For example, the calcium ions that get into the blood are important for normal nerve and muscle function. You can't have muscle contraction or proper conduction of the nerves in the body without the calcium. So these things are really important. We need to look after our bones so that our bodies can function normally all through our life. It's a part of healthy aging. So we're really excited then to be able to launch in Europe very soon our Pharmanex bone formula. You'll be pleased to know that it's almost exactly the same as the product that we've had in the USA for many years, and it's the product of a lot of research in terms of the nutrients that go in there that help to support this whole process that I've described.